Hi! New Year is the right time to analyze your life and set your goals. In this video, I'm going to share with you the technique which helps you to visualize your goals, achieve them, and see the progress you've made. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to it and put like to this video. And then, let's go! I'm going to speak about visualization board, or I personally call it wish map. It came from China, in particularly from Feng Shui. And if you heard about this and think, it's like nothing, it's a waste of time, I would not agree with you. Because when you invest your time in order to think about your life, set your goals, write them down, visualize them, and then see them basically every day, this will really make it work. The map has 9 sectors, and each sector has its own color. This is very important because the color attracts a specific energy. Maybe it sounds a little bit esoteric, but believe me guys, it is working, or at least some part of our world believes in this. For example, you believe that red color attracts luck, don't you? Which sectors we have? We have wealth, fame and recognition, marriage, relationships, love. We have also children, hobbies and creativity, traveling and friends, business and career, knowledge and skills, family and health. In order to make it a little bit more clear, I would like to go with you through these sectors and think which kind of ideas might come to your mind. Let's start with wealth. When we are thinking about it, maybe you would like to find pictures with the bags of money or gold all around yourself, but you should be realistic. So when we are in the wealth section, it should be something like you will receive a bonus at work or increase in your salary, or you are dreaming about a car, and if you know which one, find it. For example, it's BMW X5 in black color, or it can be a new smartphone, an iPad or MacBook, or any other device you're dreaming about. So these kind of things you can put in this section. We're going further with the fame and recognition. Maybe the first thing which is coming to your mind is a movie star on the red carpet. How is it connected to you? You should think a little bit differently. For example, if you are a sportsman, you're dreaming about a trophy or golden medal, or you would like to be the best employee of the year. Or for example, you are dreaming to be on TV or write a book, or that someone takes from you an interview, or that you are in a magazine. Think about this direction and apply it to your life. Next section is love, marriage and relationships. So of course, then you should analyze your current situation. If you don't have anybody, then you can find pictures of the man and the woman, some romantic evenings, the wedding for instance. In case you already have a couple, you can put some nice pictures of you together. And it also can be anything which symbolize love and relationships. Next one is children, creativity and hobby. If you already have children and you're not planning to get another one, then you shouldn't place anything there. Or if you have a son and you want a daughter, just find a picture of a girl and don't put the photo of your son there. When we're speaking about creativity and hobbies, think about the hobbies you really wanted to start for a long time. For example, dancing, playing tennis, football, chess, or painting, making photos. So anything what is applying to your life. Traveling and friends. So this is, I believe, easy. About traveling, just think about the places you really want to go and find these pictures of your next destinations. About friends, if you already have friends, just find a picture of you all together when you're happy, or for example, you have a person you are dreaming to meet with and maybe become friends, or a person you admire, you can also put it there. Career and business. So if you're speaking about career, you can put the logo of the company you would like to work with. Or if you are dreaming to open your own bakery, find a picture of a bakery when you will be an owner. Or find a generic pictures of the career that it's going up. Knowledge and skills. You would like to learn French, German, Chinese, put it there. You would like to have an MBA in a certain university, find it. You would like to learn marketing, finance, or investments. You really want to get a PhD. So something like this. Think about again about your life and put it in this sector. Another one is family. Here again, if you have your family, you can put there the picture in case you still don't have a family. Find a nice one in the internet, so the one you are dreaming about. You can also put in there, for example, your future apartment or house you really would like to have. And now let's speak about the center of your map. So this is, so to say, health. You should find your own picture when you are super happy, when you are healthy, you have lots of energy and happiness, and put it there. Also around, you can put something which is connected to the health, like fitness, walking, or anything like that. Now you understand which kind of ideas you can put in these sectors. Just sit down and think about it. Just write it with the words. Afterwards, you should surf the internet and find the pictures which inspire you according to the goals you set for yourself. Then scale them to the right size and print. What else do you need? You need to put it on something. Of course, you can even start with the paper like A4 or A3 format. But anyway, I recommend you something thick. Or even you can go a little bit further and buy a canvas. It's not that expensive as you might think. It can be like €5, but it would really look nice. You need paints, brush, scissors and glue. That's it. Then you need to make these sectors with the colors on the paper or the canvas you decided to use, and then use your imagination and creativity and put these pictures according to these sectors. I would like to give you a few recommendations. Try to find the pictures where people do not look straight at you. Something on the angle, or even better on the back, that you don't really see who they are. Of course, you should put it in the place where you can see it every day. For example, it can be your bedroom or your office at home. But I would not recommend you to show it to anybody else, because these are your dreams, your goals, your energy. And when other people look at this might work against you. What you can do if someone comes to you, just put it away for a few hours. It's not that difficult. And as I said in the beginning, don't put there only like the biggest goals of your life, which you of course can achieve, but not like in a few months or a year. It would take you maybe 5 or 10 years. Put also some goals which you can achieve and you are going to achieve in the near future. And for this reason, there is one hint which helps a kind of to activate your map. Put something simple, which you can get like this, even tomorrow. You can go to a cafe and have a cake. You can meet with your friend. Or you can buy the pair of shoes you were dreaming about. Or you know that next month you actually are getting a master degree from XYZ University. So something which is simple, you will get soon, and afterwards, when you have already this tick in the box, other wishes will follow. When exactly can you do the map? According to the rules, this should be in the beginning of the year. But of course, in the Chinese year, and maybe you know that they have it normally in February. So in 2021, it will be the 12th of February. However, you can also do it according to our calendar in the beginning of January. And also on every growing moon and new moon. So this would really boost the energy for your visualization. It doesn't mean that you are not allowed to do it in any other time. Just during these special times, you have a kind of additional boost from the energy. That's it. You can use your map, for example, during the year, and after a year you can make the reflection and see that, for example, these and these goals are achieved, and you can take them off and put something new instead. And believe me, you will be surprised that it's really working. Of course, not 100% of your dreams will be achieved, but if you achieve like 30, 40, 50%, that's already something, and it motivates you. If you still have any questions, I will be happy to answer them in the comments. And let me know if you already had experience with the visualization board or wish map. And as usual, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and put like to this video. See you soon. Goodbye.